Okay, I'm working on my 2007 PT Cruiser. I'm going to be replacing these sun visors in here, show you how simple that is. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're here on the inside. You can see this is broken off. Sometimes they get where you can't slide. This part gets broken and it wants to flop down and just various things. I'm replacing it because this cover is broken off, and I've got some replacement ones here that are in good shape. Still kind of dirty, but they have the covers on them. So, and there's also going to be a wire that goes up into these that we have to deal with. So the first thing we're just going to get up here, there's just you need a T20 Torx bit, and you'll just get right up here and get both of these loose. Very simple to get these out. And once we get both of the screws out, we'll have to pull this down. And we'll move this back over here so we can get to this other one. And it'll start dropping down just as soon as you get this final, once you kind of get a hand on it. Okay, so now we're just going to pull this down a little bit, and we'll pull out enough where we can see the connector. And all you do is you'll take right here, it'll focus, lift that up with your nail. You can see that tab lift up right here. You got to pull pretty good. When you get it up above it, sometimes it'll just fall off of there. But you can see how I've got it pulled up. So there's that. It just goes and clips right into that place. So just don't break that. And so now we're just going to get our replacement over here. Okay, so now we're just going to push this right back onto here. I'm going to try to do this. Okay, just like that. And then we'll stuff this, carefully stuff this back up into here. And push this plastic part into place, but you got to get everything pushed back up out of the way here, and then we'll push that back into place and get our screws started here. Okay, and make sure that you have this angled the way that it goes up. It's going to have to angle like that, or you'll have it around backwards. Okay, so we just got one screw started on this side. I'm just going to get the other one over here. Okay, so there's the other side secured. Now, if you need to remove, sometimes these break and need to be replaced, there is a Phillips right there. And all you got to do is take that out and pop another one of these on. And like I said, they just go right into place. Here's what that looks like. So if you need to replace that, it's very simple as well. But here this is, and everything's working, the light's working. You want to check that out, and it looks nice. So we're just going to do the same exact thing on the other side here now. Okay, so we got this one unscrewed, and remember just to pull up with your fingernail right here and just give the wire a tug once you get that popped up. Okay, now I got it into place, stuffed it back up in there, just getting ready to get the final screws in here. Okay, so here's our nicely replaced visors. See that everything's working, the lights, and so, all right, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like, and as always, I invite you to subscribe, and thanks for watching.